Today, we're exploring my experiment with free TikTok followers to understand the algorithm's behavior. The results, especially with the March 2026 updates, are fascinating and crucial for growth. My tests confirm TikTok's shift to a follower-first testing model. New videos are initially shown to existing followers for a few days. TikTok then analyzes engagement completion rate, shares, saves with this initial audience. Only after this evaluation does the algorithm decide whether to push the video to a wider, non-follower audience. This means videos no longer automatically reach a broad audience immediately. My experiments showed that, without initial follower engagement, videos stall. Without a solid base and content that resonates with them, wider distribution is incredibly difficult. This emphasizes nurturing your existing community and creating tailored content. The 2026 algorithm prioritizes relevance and engagement over popularity. My tests, even with artificially inflated follower counts, confirmed that if content wasn't genuinely engaging, free followers didn't lead to broader reach. Primary ranking factors are now watch time and completion rate. 40 to 50% weight. Shares and saves are more critical than likes. Rewatches and loops signal exceptional engagement. My free follower experiment confirmed that a high follower count, if those followers aren't genuinely interested, means nothing. If your video doesn't achieve a high completion rate, ideally 70% for virality, it won't be pushed for wider distribution. This is up from roughly 50% in previous years. My artificial follower experiment showed these followers didn't contribute to watch time or completion rates. The algorithm recognized this lack of genuine interaction, and these videos failed. This warns against services promising instant followers, which often use bots, provide no real value, and risk account penalties. The algorithm values how long people watch over sheer view count. My test showed videos with fewer views, but higher average completion rates outperform those with many views but poor retention. For example, 10,000 views with 80% completion is superior to 100,000 views with 20% completion. This is why content strategy is vital. Hooks are crucial. Capture attention within the first 2 to 3 seconds. My experiments showed videos failing this, regardless of initial follower count, quickly lost engagement. A compelling question, strong visual hook, or payoff. Preview at the start proved essential. Content also needs to encourage shares and saves, what people would send to a friend or save for later. These are strong signals of value to TikTok. My testing also highlighted the algorithm's preference for niche content. TikTok in 2026 rewards creators serving specific communities. My general content struggled, while targeted content with a genuine audience would perform better. This reinforces knowing your audience and creating specific content for them. Authenticity is key. The algorithm favors human-created content over overly polished or AI-generated videos. Even in my experimental videos, a more natural style aligned with TikTok's promotion goals. TikTok is also evolving into a search engine. Optimizing content for search is vital. Incorporating keywords into captions, on-screen text, and spoken audio for discoverability. In conclusion, my free TikTok follower experiment, while not leading to viral success, illuminated the algorithm's true priorities in March 2026. The takeaway is clear: focus on genuine engagement, high completion rates, and building an authentic, valuable community. The algorithm is sophisticated, prioritizing true value and sustained audience connection over superficial metrics. Attempts to artificially inflate numbers will fail, because the algorithm seeks depth of engagement, not just breadth. Quality, authenticity, and audience connection are now the only sustainable paths to growth on TikTok.